Okay, here we have the crushing line. It crushes the ore down, bring it into the feed hoppers that we have here to store the ore that is available to come into the plant. The crushing line runs at 300 tons per hour. So after storing it in these feed bins, we have two separate conveyors that convey it into the building. Here our ore is conveyed into the building. It brings it into the feed hopper here, and once it drops out of the feed hopper, it's introduced to the sand clean injection, and introduced to water also, and it runs through a 8-inch shearing inductor before being introduced into the ORU. Okay, once the slurry is pumped into the ORU, it comes into a series of hoppers, 4 in line right here, and the solids drop out the bottom, and they will be pumped up to a series of shakers, as you can see up top there, and the clean sand will be conveyed outside the building from that point on. As the oil comes down through the ORU, it floats across the top, coming all the way over to hopper number 4, and then it will drain into the launder, which will feed it down to the surge tank. From this viewpoint, you can see the launder that the bitumen comes down into. As it's coming to the surge tank, it comes through a 4-inch line, goes through a 4-inch shearing inductor, which feeds it over to the surge tank, as you see here. And once it gets to this surge tank, it's introduced to the diluent and mixed to prepare it to be sent outside to tank 301. Coming from the surge tank, it's pumped over through these high lines. The dill bit will go over to go outside the building to tank 301. Okay, once the dill bit comes outside to tank 301, it's heated, and it will go through a series of tanks outside before finishing up into our product tanks, as you see here.